Even if you're just kind of sort of maybe thinking about starting a website, this video is for you. Especially if you are a coach, a consultant, or a professional service provider. I want to talk about the 5 things that your website absolutely must have. So let's get started with number 1, not 11, just 1. The first thing is your own personalized domain name. So there are a lot of companies out there that will provide a domain name for free. This is very common in free services, but your domain name is subdomain. So it'll be www.yourname.theircompanyname.com. That is what I don't want you to do. I want you to focus on having your domain name. So www. whatever your name, business name, or your name is.com, and that's it. The second thing that your website absolutely must have is right on the homepage, as soon as somebody lands on your page, they should know what you do and how you help them. How do you help them solve their problem? This should be clearly stated, like I said, on the homepage. They shouldn't have to do research or click around too much before they understand what you can do for them. All right, and the third thing that your website absolutely must have is an about page. So whether you are a one-on-one service provider, whether you work with people in person or online, whatever the case may be, you need an About Me page. And with your About Me page, you can go as detailed, as personal as you want or not. The point is, if somebody is interested in your business, in your services, and they want to know who is the person, who is the team behind it, they should be able to find that in your About Me page. They should be able to learn why you do what you do and possibly how long you've been doing what you do. And again, you should reinforce how you help them. Although that's something that you've already stated on the homepage, this is also key to include in your About Me page. The fourth thing that your website must have is pretty simple, but honestly, sometimes, very often, it's overlooked. And that is to have a contact page. Even if that's just a small little box with somebody to submit their name, their email, and a message, or you could list what your email is, have a way for people to know how they can contact you. How do they get in touch with you? Whether that's if they have a question, if they want to hire you, whatever it is, make sure that you clearly list a way that they can contact you and get in touch with you. And the fifth thing that your website absolutely must have or do is it must provide a cohesive experience for the user. So this combines a lot of different things. This combines a brand, a logo, colors, words, photos, all of the visual things, as well as the message behind all of the visuals. But your website shouldn't be a combination of a whole bunch of different random stuff that's going to confuse a potential client. It should be an experience. It should be cohesive. So instead of your website being a box of all of the stuff that you love and all of the things that you do with all the colors and all the logos and all the design elements, it should be a cohesive visual experience as well. So all of these things need to match, need to work together. Your logo, the words you use, the photos, everything that you have on your website should feel like it belongs. If you are a coach, consultant, or a professional service provider, and you are in this process of putting together your website, and that fifth thing that you know, I know that's so important, but I just have no idea how to get all these things to match, then not to worry. I would absolutely love to chat with you and connect with you and help you map out your website and even your visuals, your colors and logo and the overall brand so that you can confidently start on this project and get your stuff out there. So with that in mind, go ahead and send me a message and let me know where you're stuck. Where in the website creation process are you stuck? And let's have a conversation. I want to help you figure it out. You can also visit themerakicollective.com for free training and learn more about our one-day intensive programs, which will definitely get you from where you are now, trying to figure out what to do with your website, to an online presence. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you next time. Yeah, I lost it. And that's so much for being... How do I end? I never know how to end.